To determine if you have a PTB or narrow PTB arm, insert a penny into the end of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a PTB arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow PTB arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X repellency blade on a PTB type arm. First, pry off the adapter cover by inserting your thumb under the edge. Lift slightly and remove the cover with your opposite hand. You're now ready to install the blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is up or in the service position. Insert the wiper arm under the Rain-X logo and slide the blade down until it locks into place with a click. Tug on the blade to be sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Finally, activate the Rain-X water repelling technology. To do this, ensure your windshield is clean. Turn on the wiper blades and wipe at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. In wet weather conditions, simply run the wipers across the windshield. In dry weather conditions, apply water or washer fluid to the windshield intermittently throughout the activation period. After activation, spray washer fluid onto the windshield to observe the water beading. Installation is complete. You're now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X repellency wiper blades.